Well, today is Global Handwashing Day, and since the start of the pandemic, that simple task has really helped combat the spread of the virus. Joining me today is my own doctor, Dr. Shady Salib, internist and former chief of staff at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center. Dr. Salib, how are you doing today? Seems like we're having a little bit of audio issues. Do you hear us, Dr. Salib? We cannot hear you right now.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right,
Stephanie.
we can hear you now. So happy to have you on the show this afternoon. Good to see you. Me at work, you at work. So talk to us about, the importance of hand washing, especially amid this pandemic.
So thank you. And I'm glad you brought up hand washing because the timing can't be any better, to tell you the truth, Stephanie. We're finally taking a break from COVID a little bit where the numbers are improving, but we're not going to take a break from flu and other viruses and bacteria that fall and winter seasons bring. So I'm glad we're bringing up that subject now, just to make our viewers aware of the importance of hand washing and making sure that we follow certain health guidelines to prevent the transmission of not only COVID, but also other viruses. As you know, when the fall is coming, we have influenza virus, we have norovirus, we have salmonella, shigella, we have so many bacteria and viruses that can give you diarrheal illnesses and respiratory illnesses too.
Said about the flu. Now, I'm someone who has gotten the flu shot. I know doctors have been recommending the flu shot, but what about this term that we've been hearing, the twin-demic?
It's good to come up with these terms to get everyone aware of what's going on. We are trying to battle the most important pandemic we had in our lives in the last 100 years, COVID, but we have to remember that the flu season is starting. We have to make sure that we are protecting ourselves and our children and our elderly from getting the flu. It's important to get the flu shot. Since this is hand washing month, it's important to wash our hands. Hand washing properly will prevent the transmission of viruses and bacteria. And flu is very important. It's one of the most notorious viruses, exactly like COVID, that gets transmitted easily if we don't make sure that we are following certain health guidelines.
Dr. Salib, I want to go back to what you said about the importance of proper hand washing. So what is the proper way for those who might not know?
All right. So, as common as this, and we do it almost every day, there are 5 steps, right? First is we're going to wet our hands, whether it's with running water, whether it's cold or warm, it doesn't matter. Both of them will work well. Then we'll lather our hands with the soap, the palms of the hands, the back of the hands, between the fingers, and also under the nails. We'll keep doing that for about 20 seconds. And if we think 20 seconds is too long to count, we'll sing happy birthday twice. And then after that, we will thoroughly rinse our hands with the running water. And then after that, we'll dry our hands either with a clean towel or with a dryer.
Always a pleasure to have you on the show, Dr. Salib. I really appreciate you joining us, teaching us about the importance of hand washing and how to do it properly. So either sing happy birthday twice, or I'm told you can also do the ABCs.
Oh, the ABC, you're right. Thank you, Stephanie, for having me.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Enjoy your afternoon.